toe stretch is a great pose for summer sandal-wearing toes or winter heavy boot-wearing feet. So we'll start on our hands and knees, tuck the toes under, knees and ankles are together, and then slowly leaning back, the weight into the feet. Now sitting upright might be enough pressure for the toes, but to increase the pressure you can lean back with the torso. And if you feel as though the lower back is being compressed, tuck the tailbone under by activating those lower abdominal muscles. And then apply Jalandhara lock or throat lock. And then when you're ready to come out, hands on the ground. And then gently tap the tops of the feet on the ground, extending one leg back, making circles in one direction and then the other. And then switching to the other leg, so the toes are tucked under and rolling in circles one way and then the other. It can also feel good to separate your knees and lift the feet, circling the ankles one way and then reversing them. Because this pose can be so intense, a great addition is lion's face. With your hands on your thighs, inhale fully, and as you exhale or sigh out, stick your tongue way out to your chin, eyes way up to the sky. This is especially great if you're prepping for labor, to release stress and have some fun.